1 week later.
This is the best hydrating cleaner in my opinion that works for my skin. Get in the face. Let it soak in your face for a little couple minutes. 60 seconds. I are freezing my hands. Get in there. In cold water. Don't rough the face off. Don't be too rough when you're drying off your face. But yeah, get a gentle cleanser. Like this is good for my skin. So I basically do 2 cleansers. I use this one and I use this one. Like I use 2. Like this one's my night cleanser. They're both hydrating. Like do something that clears your face. Like hydrating just works on my routine. Next thing I usually do is literally a serum. I literally do a serum today, but like I'm doing a hydrating mask. Like I make my own hydrating mask. I got like use a serum like this. This is the serum I put on my face usually. This is a good serum. But like we're doing hydrating masks like every night or so. I use a hydrating mask, but like I make my own hydrating mask. You know what I figured out works for my face? It's cinnamon. Cinnamon and aloe vera is the best thing for your face. Put it to the pores, leave it on for like 15 minutes. It's like its own hydrating mask. Like this is literally what I do is a cinnamon mask. This is my cheat, like for real. Do a cinnamon mask. But I'm gonna come back like good 15 minutes and it smells good. Like I'm not gonna lie, this is literally how you clear your skin is masses. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna come back good 15 minutes and I'm gonna wash this off. All right, it's time to wash off the mask. My face is dry, but like I'm not gonna lie, you can't tell me my face is not getting smoother though. My face is getting clearer. But let's get to the last couple steps. The next thing I do is usually a toner. Like get you like a cotton swab or a cotton pad. Like this is really good for the hyperpigmentation on your face. Like this is literally what I be doing. We apply it to the pad. Don't apply too much to it, but make sure it's wet with the solution on. Make sure it's like vitamin C or niacinamide, right, or has some one of those ingredients, or glycolic acid inside of it, like one of those. Well, like clear your acne, you gotta have one of those. But I don't do glycolic acid all the time. This has witch hazel in it, so it has something inside of it. Moisturizer, like I use like a gentle moisturizer. Literally a gentle moisturizer. That's all I do. I don't do too much. Just apply a little bit on the spots that didn't look that good. You just rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it to the face, rub it under the eyes. That's literally all you do. You just rub it in. Rub some into the neck too. Not gonna lie, this is literally what I do to clear my acne. But like I said, FPS 50 literally is a good range for a sunscreen, or FPS 30. But FPS 50 is way stronger and it prevents the rays from getting into your skin. So go FPS 50. But just apply it to different sides of your face. Okay, I got that one perfect. Not too much. Just rub it in. I've been hearing you don't rub down, like you rub side to side or up. You just rub to the side. But yeah, this is how the skin's looking though. I'm not gonna lie, my skin is getting better, chat. Like, you can't tell me the skin is not getting better. This side needs a little bit more work, but like, I'm gonna have more update videos on my skin. But like, it's clearing up. I'm gonna go in the sun. Let's go in the sun. This is what I'm talking about. I'm in the sun now. But like I said, what should I do, chat? What should be the next video? And yeah, the skin is popping though. Once I get this dark spot cleared, we're gonna be straight. I'm out the front. Dark spot out the way. But the skin, yeah, that's coming soon. Like for real, the skin is clearing up though. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Like, you can press the video right here, or this video right here. Like, all these are bangers, so it only takes like 2 seconds, dog. Like what are you guys doing? Like, you can also follow the Instagram. Like, takes like 2 seconds. Also, like, come on, dog. Gang.